Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to keep working with our zip file module, and we're going to do a couple back-to-back because somebody has requested us do the extract method. But before we can do that, we need to look at the name list method, because we need to be able to, since we're not extracting all, because the last zip file we did was extract all, so need not know what's in there, just pull everything out. But the comment was how to save memory or save space with very large files, which is the point of these. So before we do that, we need to know what's in there, right? So alright, let's just go ahead and get started. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us, and that is what we do here. We do one subject at a time. So alright, so we can really find this name list. We need to work with one of our prerequisites. So if you have not looked at, if you have not seen our other videos, I'll have them start popping up. Actually, I think it's like right here. So alright, names.zip will show you where I downloaded it. That was the first one. And then how to create the zip archive object, which will pop up here. Alright, zip archive. Actually, let's just copy this because we've done this before, so you guys know this. I don't want to type anything wrong. We just want to get this done and get this learned. So alright, let's run this and peek at it. So dir dot zip archive. Okay, what we're interested in is, where did it go? Name list. So guess what? Help dot zip archive dot name list. Pretty sure you can figure out what it's going to do. Return a list. I didn't even check this. Return a list of file names in the archive. So that's pretty cut and dry. So let's just pull this. Archive dot name list. I'm doing this first so you can see. So it is a list, like they said, and there are these are strings. I want you to pay very close attention here. In this file, these are strings, and this is, everything is capital. So, and to remind you, these are baby names broken down by state. And then there's a PDF file. We'll deal with that in a little while. But before we can extract one file, we have to know what's in there. So this is the method that you use to take a peek and see what is in your archive file. So next video, we're not going to bounce around. We're going to stick with the zip file so we can get the other one made. And it's going to be the extract. And we needed to know this, and I want you to draw your attention. These are all capital. So alright, as always guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And please keep the comments. Questions are my absolute all-time favorite. Any video requests. You guys have been knocking it out of the park. I think I got 3 in a row that I'm going to do here. Straight up video requests. So you guys are keeping me on my toes, keeping me busy. Appreciate it. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.